bring a loop up.
Like that. Bring this through.
Another loop.
Or you can pull it this way. Like
And do
this.
another loop like that. Okay.
This. We'll see if it works. Like this. Like this. And then like that.
Yep.
Okay. Now, if you want to, let's do this again. If you want to do it like this, and you're leaving and you don't want to take any chance with the horse getting away, you pull it through like that. Because then it's not going anywhere. But most of the time you don't want to do that. You want to be able to just pull it like that and be
Perfect.